In this video, I will show you how to update an application on your Samsung Smart TV. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel if you find the video helpful. So on your Samsung Smart TV, you have to update an application to its latest version. Then here's what you can do. For instance, if I want to update Spotify to its latest version on my Samsung Smart TV, I already have the application. What I have to do is update it. So here's what I do. I go ahead and go to my App Store. Once I come over to my App Store, I'm going to search for the application Spotify. So just clear this. I just searched this a couple of minutes ago. So here's a search bar. You can come out to a search bar on your application or your app store and searching the application you want to update. So in this case, it's Spotify. You could choose any application, but for the sake of this video, I just decided to use Spotify. So I click and type in the right keyword Spotify and then I search. Since the application is already installed on my smart TV, here's what is going to happen. As I search Spotify, it's already on my smart TV or my Samsung smart TV. So I don't want to download it to my smart TV. I want to update it. So I come over to Spotify and here's how it's going to look like. And you see, here's it. All I have to do is click on update. They are showing me the update option here because the application is already on my Samsung smart TV. So the only thing I can do now is update. I'll click on update and the new version of Spotify is going to be updated. So for you to update an application, you must have the application on your smart TV before you update it. Like and subscribe to this channel if you find it helpful.